Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about how to install the Power BI. Yes, the software from Microsoft is really good software. Just go in the Google and just Power BI download free. The first page from Microsoft, you just go over here and just wait the page just load. And then after that, we have here the language that you would just choose, and then we have for default like English, so you just can keep it that and just clicking on download. And after over here we have just two ways to download the 64 bits or 32 bits, right? Or let's say 86 also XM, I don't know, I have no idea. So let's just, the point is just click on the 64 and go to the next here. It's over here, okay? Alright, just wait and download. They would just choose a place to download, and then I just put in the download file, so just wait that. Alright, I just wait the download just finish over here, and yes, it's okay. Now I will just click over here and then wait. Now you can click over execute, probably for you. I'm from Brazil, I'm just doing it over here. And now just wait one more time. Wait again one more time. My computer is not so good. Oh, I am just a dumb person. Yeah, over here we have the first page, like you should just put like English as your native language. Okay, my native language is Portuguese, so that's why it's like Portuguese. Where is English over here? English is just the first one, like oh, there is no English. Come on. Oh, over here it's, oh, Italian. No, come on, over here Inglese. Yeah, now just put next. You click in yes because you will need administrator access, so if you don't, probably you won't install this software. And then just go next. You can read the agreements over here, but I don't. If you want, just do it. And then over here we have the place where this software will be installed. Usually I just put like the same one. Next. If you want to create it over here in a shortcut on, yeah, usually on desktop, just like I do, or if you don't worry. And now I would just pause the video. See you. Alright, just finish that, just put like finish, and then you can launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop, and then it's over. No more problem, you just have the Power BI for free, and just enjoy your software. Let's wait, I wanna see that. Actually I don't know how to use this software, and yeah, my computer also doesn't help, but that's exactly what we need. Yes, for sure it's a free version, and then you can use that, but probably Microsoft has the software much more better. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Alright, see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.